In this video, you will learn how to start a LED bulb business. Starting an LED bulb business can be a lucrative and rewarding endeavor for those with a passion for energy efficiency and sustainability. LED bulbs are in high demand due to their energy-saving capabilities and longevity compared to traditional incandescent bulbs. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to start a LED bulb business. 1. Conduct market research. Before starting any business, it is important to conduct thorough market research to identify demand, competition, and target customers. In the case of a LED bulb business, you need to research the market to understand what types of LED bulbs are in demand, who are the potential customers, and where you can get the products. 2. Choose the type of LED bulbs to sell. LED bulbs come in various shapes, sizes, and specifications. To start a LED bulb business, you need to decide which types of bulbs you want to sell. Some of the popular types of LED bulbs include standard LED bulbs, LED floodlights, LED tubes, LED strips, and more. 3. Find a supplier. To start selling LED bulbs, you need to find a supplier who can provide you with quality products at a reasonable price. There are many manufacturers and distributors of LED bulbs in the market. You can find suppliers by attending trade shows, searching online directories, or using B2B marketplaces. 4. Develop a business plan. A business plan is a blueprint that outlines your business goals, target customers, marketing strategies, financial projections, and more. A well-developed business plan will help you secure funding, set realistic goals, and stay focused on your objectives. 5. Secure funding. Starting a LED bulb business requires capital for purchasing inventory, setting up a website, marketing, and other expenses. You can secure funding from various sources such as personal savings, bank loans, crowdfunding, or angel investors. 6. Register your business. To start a LED bulb business, you need to register your business with the appropriate authorities in your state or country. This involves obtaining a business license, tax ID number, and other necessary permits. 7. Set up your business infrastructure. Once you have secured funding and registered your business, it's time to set up your business infrastructure. This includes setting up a physical storefront or an e-commerce website, creating a logo and branding, and setting up a system for inventory management and fulfillment. 8. Create a marketing strategy. Marketing is essential for the success of any business. To promote your LED bulb business, you can use various marketing strategies such as social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. It is also important to identify your target audience and tailor your marketing messages accordingly. 9. Launch your business. Once you have completed all the necessary steps, it's time to launch your LED bulb business. This involves announcing your business launch on social media, sending out press releases to local media, and hosting a launch event. 10. Monitor and adapt. Once your business is up and running, it's important to monitor your performance and make necessary changes. Analyze your sales data, customer feedback, and other metrics to identify areas where you can improve. Adapt your marketing strategies and product offerings based on customer demand and industry trends. In conclusion, starting a LED bulb business requires careful planning, research, and execution. By following the steps outlined in this article, you can start a successful LED bulb business that contributes to energy efficiency and sustainability while generating profits. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a LED bulb business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.